Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix if a Discord video is not playing. So basically, if Discord videos are not playing over on the Discord app, then here are 5 easy ways in order to fix that. So basically, fix number 1 is really easy, but what you need to make sure to do is you need to make sure that you have Wi-Fi enabled. Because when you open Discord and you don't have Wi-Fi, it will not be able to load any new messages, it will not be able to load photos and also not videos, and that may be the issue you are running into. So just make sure that you either have a pretty good cellular mode enabled or Wi-Fi enabled. Now, if you've already tried that and it's still not working, then the second thing you might just want to head and do is go into the App Store, and we are simply going to update the app. Just type in Discord like this, and then it should immediately pop up right here. And what updating the app does, it basically means that when there's a bug within the app, and that is basically because within the app, then they will fix that simply by updating the app. So yeah, if there's any issue with basically videos not playing, maybe there's a bug going around, they will immediately fix that by updating the app. However, you do need to have the latest version in order to get that update. So yeah, make sure you always have your latest app updates. Now, if that is also not working, you've tried to update to the latest version, but videos are still not playing, then the third thing you might just want to do is head over into settings, and we are going to clear the cache over on our Discord app. So what you need to do is on Android, you simply need to click over on the search bar and you want to type in Discord. So just type in Discord like this, and then it should immediately pop up right here. Now on the iPhone, in order to clear the cache, we need to go into General. So click on General on Settings, iPhone Storage. And once it's loaded, you just want to scroll down till you find the Discord app right here. And now if you're on Android, you should be up on basically the same screen. It may look a little bit different, where you have some information about the app. And then on Android, you will simply have a clear cache button. Now on the iPhone, what we need to do is we need to click on offloading the app of offload app. When you click on that, it will clear the cache of the app and hard reset the app. And you can immediately reinstall it back using this exact page. And then the cool thing is basically that your documents and data will be saved over on your device. So it will be an actual hard reset. And when you reopen the app again, everything will still be there. All your servers will still be there. You will still be logged into your account. It's basically just like a hard reset. Now, if you've already tried to hard reset the app basically and clear your cache, then the fourth thing I would recommend doing is, I know it sounds really easy, but I would just basically restart my phone. That should be really easy to do, and by restarting your phone, you're basically clearing all the storage over on your iPhone basically. So when you have a lot of apps open on your phone, then that could cause some issues with your phone just starting to lag, and it could cause some issues with Discord videos not playing. So yeah, just restart your phone and then try it again, and maybe that should work. If you have already tried that as well and it's still not working, then the last method I have for you guys is just simply reinstalling the app. So hold down the app over on your home screen, click on remove app, and you can reinstall back using this exact screen. Now the problem with doing that is when you do that, basically you will be logged out of your account and all your data will be lost if that's not backed up. So keep that in mind. But yeah, basically reinstalling the app will 99% basically guarantee that everything will be fixed within the app. So yeah, I would recommend that, and that should basically fix the issue of Discord videos not playing. So yeah, let me know down in the comments which fix it for you. And yeah, basically if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.